Hey guys, I got a couple of videos where I show monkeys in Taiwan, and these are them. They're actually called the Taiwanese macaw, so they're Taiwan's own breed of monkeys, evidently. I didn't know that. Now I do, and I'm sharing it with you. Hey you guys, don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. If you're wondering, that's me making the noise, and then when I make it, they both jump at me. Let's do that again. They're bored of me already. Just like my girlfriends. I make a few weird noises, they get all wet, and then after a few minutes, they're bored of me. This monkey here has a cool name. It's called Dr. Brazza's monkey. Dr. Brazza's monkey. Either because some guy named Dr. Brazza discovered it, or because it kind of looks like a doctor with a beard and all. You can tell it's got like a cool haircut, and then it's got like a goatee. This is the famous Taiwanese flying monkey. That's a Taiwan magpie. It's native only to Taiwan. It's endangered. I have a video where I'm riding around the mountains, and one of these, I see one of these flying, and I stop, and there was a couple of them flying around, and I got them on video, and I was rather amazed by them at the time, and then later on I discovered that they're a bird that's native to Taiwan. Formosa blue magpie. Range Taiwan. Gregarious and aggressive. Gregarious, that's a good word. I don't know what it means. And look at this guy. You're so friendly. You keep following us around. Yeah. Are you lonely in there? Okay. Hey guys, check out this bird. It almost looks kind of like a miniature peacock, except with different coloring. You know, that's a good description. Eh? I wish I were a scientist and I discovered this bird. I'd be like mini peacock, different colors. Oh yeah, there's a train over there, JD. That's right. It's actually a pheasant. It's a pheasant from China. It's called the Lady something. Lady Amherst pheasant. That's the male, and that's the female. Just like with humans, the males are interesting and the females are boring.